Well, immediate implant treatment has been great for us because most of the dentists in the world are not doing it. So basically, when we explain to patients that we're gonna pull the tooth out and place an implant in the same sessions, they are fascinated. They are so happy that they are gonna save time and they're gonna save the second surgery. Well, the type of the implant for immediate implant placement is very relevant. It has to be an implant with a thread that can allow you to really get primary stability. And what I like, for example, from VLX, which is my implant of choice for immediate implant placement, is that you have a very narrow neck. So you can have the threads that can really get you the primary stability, but with the narrow neck, you have on a long term a really good soft tissue that can protect the implant from any possible problems in the future.